Microsoft Word 2016 isn't just about typing anymore. It also comes with a powerful inking feature that allows you to write, draw, and highlight directly on your documents using a stylus, touchscreen, or even your mouse. In this video, we'll explore how this feature works and how it can make your documents more interactive and visually engaging. To start using inking, make sure you're on a device that supports touch or a stylus. Then, head to the Draw tab on the ribbon. Here you'll find a variety of pens, pencils, and highlighters that let you annotate your document just like you would on paper. You can choose different colors, thicknesses, and even effects to make your annotations stand out. This is perfect for highlighting key points, marking up drafts, or adding handwritten notes to reports and presentations. One of the best parts of inking is its customization and precision. You can switch between pens easily, erase mistakes, and even convert your handwritten notes to text using the Ink to Text feature. This means you can write naturally, but still keep your document editable and professional. Inking also works great for diagrams, sketches, or flowcharts, giving you more flexibility than standard shapes and text boxes. Using inking in Word 2016 is ideal for students, teachers, and professionals who want a more interactive and creative way to work with documents. Whether you're marking up a draft, brainstorming ideas, or just adding a personal touch, inking transforms Word into a more dynamic and engaging tool. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more Microsoft Word tips, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching.